Bird combo for today, the 13th of August. You're welcome back to this channel. And let sure that as you're watching, you like and share. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel, right? Go ahead and click on the hand below, and you're clicking on play. And the first one for today is right below. Just go down. You have the first one right there. Just choose that by clicking. And here's the second one for today. This one right here. Just click. And the third one for today is right here. Just click on that. And the last one for today is right at the top. So return to the top, and you're clicking this particular one. Just click. And having done all that, you click on check below, and you can see you won. Kindly ensure you like and share, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel.